Most people think of chiropractic care as simply getting your back cracked. What we actually do at the Connect Chiropractic is much bigger than that. We use what we call an integrated and regenerative health approach. A system designed to identify the root cause of your health challenges. Look, this is to restore function and help your body heal naturally. So what does that actually mean? The reality is that most people don't suffer from just one problem. They may have joint pain. They may have inflammation. They may have poor mobility. What about the nerve irritation? And how about the metabolic dysfunction, right? The chronic fatigue, the digestive issues, the tissue damage, all happening at the same time. The traditional healthcare model often separates these issues into different specialties and different medications. You'll take this for that, but that for this. Our approach is different. Different tools for different people. We look at the entire person. We build a customized plan. It integrates multiple therapies designed to work together. But first, we focus on restoring movement and function through precise chiropractic adjustments. The spine and the joints are the foundation for movement. When they're not functioning properly, compensation patterns, they develop throughout the body. Of course, throughout life, these will add up. But next, we'll utilize advanced therapies, advanced techniques such as spinal decompression. Decompression helps reduce pressure on the discs, right? Damaged discs, irritated nerves, compressed structures. These all often will contribute to chronic neck pain, back pain, sciatica, low back degeneration. For patients dealing with inflammation, maybe fatigue, weight loss, gut issues, metabolic challenges, right? We got to address the internal environment, okay? This environment's just as important. We utilize advanced metabolic and functional health strategies. These help identifying underlying factors that are obviously preventing the body from healing and functioning at its highest level. So, restoration is only part of the equation. The regenerative side of our approach will focus on helping the body repair damaged tissue. So we're talking rotator cuffs, we're talking knee issues that are damaged, we're talking plantar fasciitis, maybe tennis elbow, right? This is where we'll start to utilize technology like soft wave therapy. Soft wave itself is the most advanced regenerative technology that stimulates your own body's natural healing. Research has shown it can actually activate dormant stem cells to improve circulation. It can increase growth factor activity. It can support tissue repair without drugs, injections, surgery. What is that worth to you? Whether someone is struggling with chronic joint pain, tendon injuries, even neuropathy in the feet, arthritis, stubborn inflammation that just won't go away, regenerative therapies can help create an environment where healing can occur. When you combine chiropractic care, spinal decompression, metabolic health, regenerative therapies like soft wave, rehabilitation and exercise, lifestyle coaching, you can create an entire system that doesn't just chase symptoms. You can create an entire system that's designed to restore function, improve your quality of life, and help your body at what it was designed to do, and that is heal. At the Connect Chiropractic, that's what makes our approach different. We're not focused on simply covering up symptoms. We'll rarely talk about your pain. Of course, we'll meet you there. But we're focusing on helping people move better, feel better, and heal better. We're talking live better and live longer. What does your life look like after the pain? What chiropractor talks to you about that? If you're tired of temporary fixes and just chasing the pain, if you want to uncover deeper of what's really going on with your symptoms, we'd love to help. Visit theconnectchiro.com. You can schedule your consultation today. We'll look forward to seeing you soon.